Can you drain your attached spa and still run the pool and pool pump? We have a leak in the spa. Can we drain and turn off the spa and still run the pool filter and equipment without affecting the spa?
No easy answer to that one. If I had built it, yes. Not knowing what the plumbing scenario is, not knowing the situation, hard to tell. A lot of people, when they plumb it, they don't completely isolate the system, the two sets of suction and return lines separately. They always flow some water from the pool in and flood into the return lines of the spa. And if that's the case and that's done underground, you can't isolate it out. You may have in your spa a separate overflow so that a spillover line that when the pool's running, there's water running into the spa but only coming through one line. If that's the case, you could probably isolate it and shut the spa off separately. If the water is being returned into the spa return line from the pool so that it overflows, as long as it's done above ground, that pipe could either be cut, plugged, or there may be a valve on it. So without seeing what the system is and kind of what your plumbing is, it'd be hard for me to tell you that it can be done, but unless everything was plumbed underground, it's likely that it could be done. And in everything we build today, you'd be able to isolate and run only the pool and shut the spa off completely.